What are you going to do? Yeah, what are you going to do? Yeah? Tristan. Tristan. What are you doing? Yeah. Mm-hmm. You're so silly. You're so silly. You're so silly. You're so silly. What you doing? What you doing? What you doing? What you doing? Tristan. What you doing?
This box is heavy. Go ahead. It's from Peter. Ow. I hope you enjoyed Chicago as much as I did. Oh, Chicago-style pizza. Kielbasa. That Cavs baseball cap. Oh, that is the most romantic thing I've ever seen. Kielbasa.
Hey, I'm headed back there. Anything you want me to tell Peter?
Oh, no, just tell him I said thank you.
Anything else?
Tristan, come here.
That's it?
Come here.
That's all I get? Thank you.